I don't even know how to pronounce this brand right here. Purline. I don't know, guys. Might be French. Who knows? Anyway, what's in here is some cream-filled wafers. I've never had these either, but they do look good based on the image on the can. And yes, this is a can. So we will be using the can itself to sneak these into class. So let's pop open the lid. And inside, I haven't opened these yet. We have a bag that contains the actual wafers. These are stick shaped. So I guess what we have to do is basically open up the bag, and we could just dump them inside for faster and easier access, so we don't deal with the bag no more. And so check it out. I've never had these, at least I don't think I have. Whatever they are, I don't know, they look good, and they are lemon flavored based on what the can says again. So I'm going off by what I read. Oh, 90 calories, that's not bad. Wait, only 2? Okay, never mind. These are what we're gonna be eating while in class. So these should be plenty for any kid that's starving in class. We'll leave these alone for now. I'm gonna put the cap back on, and we'll turn this upside down, just like you see right here. We're gonna be dealing with the bottom now, and since this is a can, it's metallic. Luckily, a few videos back, I bought a pack of these, again from the dollar store. It came with 2 of these, and these are meant to go on the fridge because this is a magnet right here. It'll stick to any metal, and the container has a cap that's see-through, so we can fill this up with any school supply that we want, so it will appear like this is filled with this. And my choice for this will be some colorful paper clips because they fit in there very well. Let's go ahead and fill it up. Basically what we want is for the bottom to not be visible, so you can't see that the bottom is there anymore. Now it will appear like the bottom is endless, right? I'm gonna go ahead and put the cap back on. See, guys? Nothing but paper clips inside, and like I said, this is magnetic, so it will stick on. See? It will not fall. Never mind. So at this point, it looks like this whole can is filled with paper clips. But not really, guys, because obviously the can itself will give us away because you can clearly see that it's a snack. Well, luckily, again, in a previous video, I had bought some of these colorful stickers, and these, you can pretty much cover anything. I'm gonna go with a purple because why not? And with this one, I'm only gonna cover the can. I will not cover the additional little can that's on top. So I got the measurements. I'm gonna trim this down. Alright, that will work. And so I just peel off the back. This is sticky, so now I will just wrap it around. And just like that, it's fully wrapped. And since this one was a bit crooked, I'm just trimming it down with the blade. And so, here it is. If you think you're gonna get caught or whatever, you can write supplies on there. Just like that, or if you have paper clips in there, you write paper clips. Pretty much basically what you have inside the little tin can, you write on here, just so that you're not caught. So now you have this on top of your desk. If you actually need to use some paper clips, then you know you have them handy there. But if your stomach is making noises and you're hungry, then you flip it over, pop open the lid, and you have your little wafer sticks. Wow, guys, these are freaking good. Too bad they're 90 calories, but these are good. Only $1 and you get about 10 or so. That's not that bad. I'm gonna finish this off. Anyway, you can share with your friends or continue eating them till class is over. But if at any given moment your teacher comes over, pop in the top, or the bottom in this case, and lay this on your desk. Nothing to see here, teacher. It's just a bunch of paper clips. Simple stuff.